My name is Jason Childers. I'm from Walnut, Mississippi. Spent a lot of time up here around Jackson over the last 20 years or so playing music with a lot of names everybody knows, but I'm more known for country music. I'll say 1998, 1999 were some of my first gigs in Jackson, way back at the old Barley's days, playing with all the infamous guys from the Grove, Jonathan Singleton, Josh Smith, Andy Dixon, don't want to leave any names out, Scotty Austin, Dave Thomas, on and on and on. And it just went on from there, just the love of music and the friendship and camaraderie. When I was little, my parents, we went to church, did all that, of course, got started singing in church, and we did these gospel quartets, and I was singing high harmonies and all this, and that's where I really got into singing and started enjoying and getting that time up in front of people. But when I was about 16 is when I first picked up a guitar, and that's when I really realized that music can really take you somewhere that you're safe. Picking up the guitar and watching old Travis Tritt videos when they first came out, that's pretty much how I learned to play, watching him do Any More and all those different songs. And I saw him and Marty Stewart so many times together, and he really influenced the way I sing, the way I play, even the way I hold a guitar in my pick right now. That's one of my biggest influences there. But the number one thing I've learned is just those moments where you're not worried about anything else, and you're not having to worry. You're singing a song somebody wants to hear it, or they don't want to hear it, but you're just in the moment and you're not thinking about anything else. And I know that I need music for that, because we all have our issues we need to deal with, but just if it wasn't for music, you know, and some very special people in my life, of course, it'd be a hard road to hoe. When I write a song, there's several different ways it comes about it. The most difficult way, some people, you know, it may not be that way in their opinion, but is when it actually happens to you, when it's the raw emotion and you're trying to get through the song and trying to express your feelings without breaking down. Then you have those songs that have like a catchy saying or something like that, that you can feel it too. It's like, can you feel that? You know, like, hey, can you feel that too? It's like, okay, well, I'm gonna write a song about, can you feel what I feel too? Or you gotta stand for something, or whatever it might be, just you wanna catch that hook and get people into it. But whatever it is, I want you to be able to see the song. I want you to picture yourself there and understand, you know, that it's like a movie. That's the best ones that I do. Today we're gonna be doing one of my most recent originals. It's called You Can Feel It Too. A little more upbeat song, kind of a summertime feel. We've all, you know, been to the beach, had our toes in the sand, holding hands. You just got the smell, you can feel it. You know what goes on at night the next day, and it's just about that feeling and that whole environment of being there. And I hope like you can see yourself there when you're listening to the song.
Water splashing on my feet and barefoot in the sand, just me and the girl I love hand in hand. A fool for margarita taste, a little bit of lime, still that kiss taste, a salt on my lips and a sigh, baby. Oh, the sky don't seem so blue, and the sun don't shine like new, and the air don't smell like you. Driving me crazy, and girl, I think that maybe you feel it too. We making love all night, gonna go till the morning, and the tide rolls in. We just listen to the ocean, the music of the night never sounds so sweet. We both close our eyes, get lost in the beat, baby. Oh, the midnight sky so blue. Yeah, the stars all shine like new, and the night don't smell like you. Oh, your body's driving me crazy, and girl, I think that maybe you feel it too.